What's up, guys? We're here. We're not at a haunt event. We're not at Universal. We're not at Islands. We're not at Disney. We're somewhere I've never been before. Lexi's been here a few times.
Yeah.
We're at a water park. Not just any water park. We're at Volcano Bay. So every like hour or so, the tapu tapu goes off and it tells you to wash your hands often with soap and water. We're gonna go enjoy the park and I'll bring you guys after we do everything, so stay tuned. Okay, so far we've done Krakatoa and Kanu, right? Honestly, I've never been here like I said earlier, but if you get here early, get some return times for return times, is that what it's called?
Yeah, they call it, well, it's a virtual line, return time system. You know, if you've been to the park, you get it.
Yeah.
You just tap.
Hey, just tap it.
And it'll tell you when to come back. And the nice thing that we realized that we tapped into the other ride, but we were still able to go back to it. Even though, because they told us to go back, but we had tapped into another ride, but we were able to go to it. Now the only thing is that you can't tap into two rides that have a wait time.
Okay.
Now if you have one that says right now, and then you have one that has like a wait time, you could do that.
Alright guys, so Lexi wanted to take a little nap, she was tired. So I decided to give you guys a little tour while walking around because I've never really ventured around here before today. So I figured some of you guys haven't either. So before they close until March, might as well give you guys a little tour. Obviously you want to start by the map. Past the map, you will see the beautiful mountain. Oh. He was talking to me, but you'll see the beautiful, beautiful volcano. Now they have places that you can eat. You can do mobile ordering here, same as in the theme parks. I mean, this is a theme park. You just take a picture of that. Well, you're gonna put it up on your camera and it'll show up. You can mobile order, or you can actually just order at the window, which is usually what I end up doing. But mobile ordering gives you like contactless free like ordering, so you don't have to deal with anything, which I find pretty cool as well. Alright, so earlier me and Lexi went on the blue slide here, which is actually a pretty fun experience. I really enjoyed it. I'm not sure if we spoke about it earlier, but I really liked it. It was fun. I mean, see how you shoot up there. There's another one of those identical on that side. So what you see there is what you see on this side, and I thought it was a pretty cool experience. We didn't do the green slide, however. I mean, I didn't really feel like they're kind of similar. The only difference is this one's open, this one's more closed. I feel like this is a fun attraction, and I enjoyed it. One of the entrances for the lazy river, not the rapid river. I don't know the name exactly, but this one is the calmer of the two. There's two rivers here, so this one's calmer than the other. Lexi does not let me explore here, so I'm going to go by myself and just look around, even though it's just a kid area. And this is like the more crazy river. You had the lazy river, this is more of like the more intense river. And then you see the kids crossing the bridge right there. They're going to these two slides right here. Me and Lexi went on the green one, if I'm not mistaken, and it was a pretty nice experience. It wasn't too crazy, but it was a fun little water ride. Also, I just got a notification on my tapu tapu that these are sanitized daily, so if you're worried about that, there you go. So now we are inside of the volcano, and I'd walk over these, but I'm afraid that I'd get wet. I know, I'm at a water park, but it's crazy. This looks really nice in here. So if you're wondering what the inside of this volcano looks like, this is it. Also, I know volcano has a name, I just don't remember the name of it. And there's Pungo Racers. We ended up not doing that, but that's because we were just having a lot of fun. And then we went on a slide earlier that we didn't expect it to be what we thought it was. You guys see that top up there? So I forgot that Serpentine Slides are basically drop slides. So we walked all the way to the top of the volcano and we went on one of these drop slides. And honestly, I haven't been on one of those in forever. My heart dropped, and that was honestly one of the most exhilarating, thrill racing, whatever other words you could look for it. We would definitely do it again. I don't see why you wouldn't. It's a very fun attraction, and it has its points where you don't know where you're going because obviously you're going very fast because you just dropped and plummeted. But once you hit the water at the end, it's just totally different. It's a totally different experience, and it was great. Honestly, I'd do it again. Here's another pair of slides we didn't go down, but we feel like it's more of a family kind of thing. So we're gonna wait till we come with more people so that we can enjoy this as a group, because why not? And we will be back here again. This is just really fun. Whenever the parks reopen next year, you will see me back here at Volcano Bay, I guarantee it. Over here we have Oh Yeah and Oh No. The green slide's Oh Yeah, the purple slide is Oh No. Me and Lexi did Oh Yeah before. We haven't done Oh No. We're gonna do Oh No next time we come out here. The one thing you gotta know is that it's a 10-foot pool, so you gotta know how to swim. That's probably the only thing you gotta know here. But aside from that, boom. Alright, another thing you gotta know, ready? Water is coming from everywhere here. And there's this little toppy thing right here, right? You just boop. And it sprays water on kids. That's it. These are the two slides that I was talking about earlier, the ones that are drop slides. You come out right into this pool right there. They're Serpentine Slides, I apologize. That thing destroyed me, honestly. I didn't know what to expect. So I'm just exploring here and I'm seeing there's another cave. So let's walk into, this might be the same cave. What does this one do? Let's find out. It's like traveling on an expedition. Oh, and I'm right back where I was earlier. Okay, so it's a full circle. Alright guys, so that was the entire walk around of Volcano Bay. That's what the park's like. That's basically our opinions on things that we did. And this is the wave pool. This is honestly where we spend most of our time here in the rapid rivers. So I'm gonna get back to Lexi, wake her up hopefully, and then leave. Alright, as you guys can see, Lexi has her mask on. We both have our clothes on. We had a great time. It was a long day. We did a lot today. So we had a lot of fun. What was your favorite thing today? Krakatoa?
I'm sorry, I'm tired.
I don't know. I thought you liked the Serpentine Slides.
No.
No?
No. I don't like those.
I mean, they were fun.
No.
No?
My back still hurts.
Her back hurts. Because we did, okay, I told you guys we did the Serpentine Slides. And, I mean, they're rough, but they're fun.
So rough.
Yeah.
I lost my back.
But yeah, overall, you're going to see us back here again next year, hopefully. Listen, Tiki, I'm going to need you to be quiet. Try and film an outro. It was a lot of fun. We will be back here next year. I guarantee it.
Yes.
Alright. So don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what else you guys want to see, because haunt season's coming to an end and I don't know what to film. I guess that's why we're at a water park. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And stay excellent, my dudes.